High wind speeds pose serious risks to both PV modules and tracker system. For modules, aerodynamic forces can cause shifting of misalignments, which may lead to deformation, frame tearing, or even module detachment. These structural issues can reduce energy output and compromise the long-term reliability of the system. Trackers are also vulnerable. Strong winds generate dynamic forces that stress the frame, cause deflection, and create vibrations. Over time, this leads to wear on joints and actuators, reducing precision and potentially compromising tracking accuracy and system stability. Trinasolar solutions are specifically engineered to withstand these conditions. With reinforcing structures and intelligent design, they maintain high performance and long-term durability even in extreme wind environments. To address extreme wind conditions, Trinasolar offers robust solutions across both FIS and tracker systems. Our FIS-structured withstand wind pressures up to plus 8,000 pascals minus 6,000 pascals, while trackers resist up to plus 3,600 pascals minus 3,000 pascals. Vanguard 1P and 2P trackers are engineered with reinforced torque tubes and patented spherical bearings, minimizing vibrations and ensuring stability. Modules are securely mounted on strong purlins to prevent misalignment. During high winds, our trackers automatically stop. Vanguard 1P to 30 degrees and Vanguard 2P to 0 degrees to protect your assets and minimize risk. Equipped with on-site wind sensor, the system continuously monitors real-time wind speeds. When predefined thresholds are reached, the tracker executes the appropriate stow strategy automatically. Vanguard 1P utilizes dampers, while Vanguard 2P features a smart multi-motor system, both engineered to optimize stability and safety. Backed with extensive R&D and wind tunnel testing, our solutions deliver reliable performance under the most extreme weather conditions. At Trinasolar, we don't just design for performance, we design for durability under pressure.